Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial video to show you how to install your new ZMBT100. So I'm gonna go from start and do the whole installation. So you will receive 3 tools in your kit. One Torx number 2 wrench, one 0.50 wrench, hex wrench, and one 1/16 hex wrench. So to begin with, you can unscrew the battery door with the Torx wrench. So you have 4 screws to unscrew. Pay attention to keep them in a safe place. They are pretty easy to lose. All right. And then you have to remove the 2 side screws at the bottom of the transmitter with the smaller hex screws, which is the 0.50 hex wrench, sorry. So once it's done, you put your transmitter in the ZMBT100 device, so it will fit snugly. Then you will take your 2 provided screws that will replace the original one at the bottom of the unit. And you will use the bigger hex wrench, which is the 1/16. Oops. And gently screw it in. Don't apply too much force, because these are fine threads and you don't want to strip them. So you just have to gently screw them in. Right, it's done. So now you can put your new battery in a battery pack. Turn it on. So this is with a body pack version, but it's exactly the same process for the plug-on and the original version. All right, thank you.